All right, good afternoon, everybody. Here's a quick trade recap of the 0 days to expiration SPX trade that I did in the options room in the small account mastery as simpler trading. It was honestly pretty stress-free. It's pretty straightforward, and we could break it down. And if you didn't get a chance to before it all unfolded, by all means, check out the plan of attack. I'll have it pop up at the top of your screen right now on the right. That will take you to the link to the plan of attack before it all unfolded. And so what did unfold? So first, let's talk about the position. At first, I got one, and then I meant to get two, so messed up the order. Then I hopped back in for a little bit. So getting filled one position at 210 and the other at 235. That brought my average to $2.22 of credit. So what I did was I entered a 40, 65, 40, 15 put credit spread, like I said, for $2.22. And I ended up closing it for 40 cents, which was, I believe, we'll call it roughly 82%-ish of the credit received. Now, with that being the amount of credit received and the position that I was in, actually, I'll just do it right meow. So that would mean that I got a total of $1.82 of credit, and off of two positions, that brought me to a total of $364 for a quick day trade. All right, so what was the trade? Why did we do what we did? And so on and so forth. So what unfolded? Let's go ahead and take a look. And as I hope you know, I do screenshot it all, and we could break it down as it unfolded. Okay, so that's Lumberjay. Well, first, if you check out the plan of attack, I also cover it here. I'll do a quick little talk. So as far as what the day was looking like on the daily time frame, price has come down to the daily 21 EMA and this HVA level, closed on a reversal candle, and then was breaking the highs. From a swing trading perspective, this is a clean pullback to support, reversal candle, and confirmation to the upside would be a break of the highs. So that had me leaning to the upside. I was leaning bullishly just simply because of that. As I point out in the plan of attack, like I said, watch it. It will all make sense as far as why I was leaning bullishly. And it's easy to say in hindsight, right? But I want you to check it out before it happened. And then what's pretty cool is what I wanted to happen pretty much unfolded in front of us. So we have right here, we have the 30-minute inverted head and shoulders. And even as I was recording it, we are up here at the third ATR, and I said I would like a pullback, which is what we got, and that is what we that's where we hopped into position. There was an hourly squeeze firing to the upside and off of this HVA level. So all in all, looking for an entry to the upside. This is also after we already entered, but like I said, plan of attack shows what it was like before we entered. Now, here we go. Here, my quickest chart. Cool. Here we go. Just like it says all right here. There was a buy signal off of a voodoo fire line, which is a very strong voodoo line created by David Starr. Longer term time frames, there's some buy signals on the high and low. And just like stated in the plan of attack, I wanted a pullback to the 21 EMA and our VWAP with some buy signals, which occurred as we got some buy signals on the high-low, entered long, and looked for the push higher. So this is what it looked like now. So we got, this is all marked at the time of entry. So if you need to see, you see I got in right at 8:41, 8:42. So roughly almost 15 minutes, let's say 13 minutes after the open is when I hopped into position. So right here, entered my call credit spread. I have my target down here at 44. Stop is up at 66. And obviously on the push higher, the premium got sucked out of those positions and then locked it up pretty quickly. Only was in the position for a total of a little over an hour. Pretty nice little trade, nice and quick, no heat at all. And obviously you could have kept holding on if you wanted, but sometimes it doesn't play out this way. But in a nutshell, just wanted to point out, got in, got out, pretty easy, quick trade recap. And if you want to see what the chart looks like right now, you see we got the pullback like I mentioned, and we're just still pushing up outside of these ATRs, and I keep on getting these little rotation signals right now. I'm not looking to trade it, but yeah, got the pullback to the 30-minute 21 EMA, VWAP, buy signals, took it to the upside, and just let it work. So that's it. Pretty quick and easy trade. If you have any questions, by all means, throw them in the comment section. I answer every single question. If you took this trade, tell me how it worked out for you, what your thoughts were, and if the layout actually made sense. Let me know if you took it with me in the options room of Small Account Mastery, or if you just saw the plan of attack. I didn't take it with me at all live, just saw the information, took it yourself. I want to know if that information was relayed to you and you had the confidence to take it on your own. But that's it, everyone. Have an awesome day, and we'll see what unfolds tomorrow. And be careful, CPI comes out an hour before the open. Have an awesome day, everybody, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care.